Hi friends, good morning. Today we are going to start some important terms related to coordination compound. So it is very most important to understand that in coordination compound which molecule, which ion, which metal is given which term or name. Again, myself Aji sir, I welcome all of you from Samved School. I have written one slogan to understand all terms to clear the coordination compounds. So, कोई कौन CSP on हो है, कोई कौन CSP on हो है. You all know me that I am giving some important formula to remember continue or long topic. So koi means what? Koi means coordination entity. So first term we will discuss coordination entity. What is the coordination entity? So coordination entity will be explained by simple example. I am writing one example, then we will discuss all terms. Suppose I am writing over here cobalt Na3 6 and 3 plus. So coordination entity means what? Again, second example I am writing over here COCl3 NH3, and there is no any charge because CO is 3 plus, Cl is 3 minus, so charge of CO is neutral, so there is not any return charge over here. CO is 3 plus and ammonia having no charge, so plus 3 charge will remain as it is. So coordination entity means what? Coordination entity means the metal ion which is combined with or attached to molecule or negative ion. Metal ion which is bonded to neutral compound or negative ion including square bracket is called coordination entity. So all these are to be said coordination entity. In this there is metal ion, neutral molecule, here is neutral molecule or negative ion or both present. So total including square bracket it is to be said coordination entity. So coordination entity means the central ion is bonded with, this is the central ion is bonded with neutral compound or negative ion and neutral compound including square bracket or bonded by square bracket is to be said coordination entity. Very simple. Second is central atom. Ca means what? Central atom or ion. Second, central atom or ion. So we will start from the coordination entity. In coordination entity means in square bracket. Metal which is bonded with or metal which is bounded with neutral molecule or neutral molecule and negative ion, which is to be said central atom, means metal is known as central atom while it is attached to negative ion and neutral molecule, or it is attached to only neutral molecule. This metal ion is to be said central atom. Around central atom, this neutral molecule will spread out and give geometrical any design or figure. So around the central atom, neutral molecule or neutral molecule and negative ion form geometrical design. So this is the central atom. CO is central atom over here. If I am writing here over here NiCO4, here is 2 plus, then Ni is the central atom. Central atom means it is the metal ion. So Ca means central atom. Third one, Li means ligand. Ligands is what? In coordination entity means in square bracket. Central atom is bonded with the neutral ion, neutral molecule or negative ion, neutral molecule or neutral molecule and negative ion are known as the ligand. These are the ligand. Ligand is attached to central atom by coordination covalent bond. Coordinate covalent bond. So the molecule or negative ion which is from coordinate covalent bond with central atom is known as ligand. It may be small molecule, it may be negative ion, it may be big molecule CH2, CH2, NH2, NH2. This is the big molecule. Ethane 1,2 diamine. Unidident, bidident. This is the bidident. This is the unidident. Only one atom is taking part to form coordinate compound or coordinate covalent bond. That is called unidident ligand. And here there are two nitrogen, so there will be two atoms will give two electron pair to central atom, then it is to be said bidident or dodident. If EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetate, it is polydident. So there are the classification of ligand which will be understood separately as a new topic. In your textbook it is given mixed. It is not clearly written that what is unidident, what is bidident, what is polydident ligand. We will understand very separately. It is differ from the textbook. So ligand means what? Neutral molecule and negative ion or neutral molecule which is forming coordinate covalent bond. This is known as ligand, which is attached to central atom by coordinate covalent bond. So now it is clear. Then coordination number. Con means coordination number. I am writing coordination number. Coordination number means what? Number of ligand. Number of ligand is known as coordination number. Suppose here are total ligand 6. Ammonia, molecule of ammonia 6. So ligand are 6. So coordination number of central atom is 6. here you can see that the total carbonyl compound are 4. So coordination number of nickel is 4. Here coordination number of cobalt is 6 because total number of molecule attached to central atom by covalent bond. So it is coordination number 6. Here total ligands are 6. 3 chloride and 3 ammonia which is attached to central atom. So here 3 plus 3 total coordination number will be 6. Suppose I am writing over here that CONH3 5 and 3 plus. So here ligands are 5. So coordination number will be 5. Coordination number means the number of ligand which is attached to central atom by coordination or coordinate covalent bond. Coordinate covalent bond will form by ligand to central atom. So clear? Here are number of molecule ammonia 6. So coordination number of cobalt is 6. Here ammonia are 5. So coordination number of cobalt is 5. Here carbonyl is 4. So coordination number of nickel is 4. Coordination number will be of metal ion. So now it is clear coordination number. Simply you can remember that it is number of ligand attached to metal ion or attached to central atom. Now it is clear. I am writing remaining part. So I must rub over here. Now con we have cleared. Again I am repeating that Co-E means coordination entity, Ca means central atom, Li means ligand, con means coordination number, C means coordination, S means sphere, and C means coordination, P means polyhedral. Let's see. Remaining part we are reach over here coordination sphere. Coordination sphere means what? Writing again example that we are having cobalt NH36 and 3 plus. Coordination sphere, it is equivalent to coordination entity. Central atom which is attached by neutral molecule or which is attached by negative ion and neutral molecule. This sphere means this area, total area including neutral metal, neutral molecule, negative ion and central atom with charge. It is to be said coordination sphere. Sphere means area. So to form complex compound or to form coordination compound, we must require metal ion attaching by covalent bond with negative ion or neutral molecule. Then it is to be said totally coordination sphere. And if I am writing over here, not writing over here chloride, and I am writing over here 6 ammonia, then there must be 3 charge plus, and I have to write down negative ion, example of negative ion that you will understand properly. Suppose we are having PtCl4 and it is 2 negative, Pt is 2 plus, Cl4 4 minus 2 plus, remaining 2 minus. I am writing over here to make neutral coordination compound. then I have to write down K2 over here. So 2 plus here, 2 plus here, and 4 minus here. So total it is neutral. Pt is 2 plus, K2 is 2 plus, 1K is 1 plus, 2K means 2 plus, total 4 plus, and chloride are 4, so it is 4 minus. Total